Chanel, move from here, so act like you ain't look for the party too. You ain't look for the party at Papi.
I don't know which party you're talking about.
You told lies. So, oh, yeah, can't we mix up then? Oh, yeah, can't we mix up then?
Because you know, when you mention Papi, you know what you're talking about.
Oh, so, oh, yeah, and you are mixed up because you are pretend with me. You are pretend. No, sir. I was looking forward for the party, of course. Nothing wrong with that. You're the most fancy with teeth for time bag.
Oh, with Alex?
Make it don't change about this.
Alex, you don't have a bathroom.
I don't mean say over in the room. Alex, one the bathroom over your room. Alright, ready? Alright, put on the tampon. See slippers there, so I'm not going to trouble that. That's my check, get my slippers from she. Guys, the comment section I go up fast. It's the same way I was, well. Them. Jesus God, I saw not chat people in the comments. Yo. You now see the page locked down with the man $300 for do what? For keep party a popping? What for $40,000? You know some wicked blood. You know wicked, God know. $300 what? $300? Or $3,000? You miss one of the zero them? One of the zero them missing. Fix up that. $300 for keep party. Thank you, my baby. $40,000 party. Oh, $3,000. It got to be. It got to be $3,000. But when I lie, but then I look for the local party. Me not be no hypocrite on social media. I was looking for the party where I keep a puppy in. Remember said they promoted by me by first. So me not look for see how yeah run out and I go on. Me didn't want to see a full joy birthday. Me not see the man full joy birthday. I was looking, me not lie, me fast last night. Me didn't wait a whole night. Me stroll social media, you see man. I stroll. Me not be no hypocrite. Me lie down in my bed and when me a drop asleep. So watch me now. Me start stroll again. Me I say Jesus Christ. Something pop up make me see when me can't fast now. Somebody open the live. I need to see. Me no business. I don't like talk truth. Me like talk the truth. So me ask that question now. See, I tell me, say, Auntie Elma couldn't use her local pension money and keep the party. She will get it back, you know, because she young and sturdy. I think Auntie Elma could have used the local pension money. I not sub no chat. Views are views. Guys, double tap up a screen. Views are views. Views are views. I don't care who want to rub me. I don't care. Double tap up a screen. From the people, them say, I not shout my alright. One thing from the people, them say me not shout, I make no noise, I make alright, I can't talk, I good. But me I say, them could have used a local pension money and make him keep the party though, me not lie. Huh? Glad boy. Let me tell you something, girl. Let me tell you something. Because I be a hypocrite upon this. You say if me did a papi in the party, they have to keep. Remember me tell you that I inbox you. He said me the day party, him know say the party the I go keep, have keep and would keep. You hear me I tell you? No joke. Right? You see when man are wicked, anything you reap, you go sow. You understand what me I say? The party there, of course it would be kept. You get what me I say? Live and direct. No joke. And the whole of my link them would roll in. But you see when time you is a wicked person, what goes around I go come back around. You understand what I say? Yeah, and anything where you see where you plant, you're gonna reap. And that me want you know. Right? I'm just a watch and me a watch and me a watch and me a watch. I'm just a watch and me just a look and me a smile. Because me did rate the man genuine ratings. You get what me I say? But you see when some man has some pussy, and when a man is a bitch is a bitch. Right? I'm just gonna say happy birthday, bitch. Yeah. No matter how much you talk about me, remember me tell you, you're not gonna forget about me. I'm not lie to you. You can't forget about that woman here because you know the goodness of that woman here. I'm not lie to you, bro. I watch you just like how you watch me. I didn't want to see you step out. But not lie, just like how he watch me for my birthday. He watch me on my birthday. For my birthday, he watch me. And watch me for my birthday, I look for me for my birthday. Somebody didn't want to watch him for his birthday. Even if him did have on the squeeze up jackets, mother watch him same way, nothing no wrong. Man, I lie, you know the little jacket like him have it from him at 16-year-old. Yeah, I don't know if I close him never have or what. Him could have squeezed in the little jacket and make we watch him same way. Or him go down to him friend shop and go trust some of the clothes him from down to him friend next door and make him think shot. Yeah, me didn't wait. Me didn't wait with the one bag of chattings. Me didn't wait. But no, this TikTok police. You see that woman when name Annie, where you use? That same woman where they love you? Remember me tell us a party would have shut up up in. Remember me told you. Party would have shut. When I lie. Yeah. Remember everything here. Come guys, I got a shop, go look something for eat. Done with them, I don't talk about everybody. But later everybody go come out and start cuss me. Yeah, tell them to give me my slippers now. By later everybody go come out and start cuss me. By later on everybody run out for me and start cuss me. Oh, when I lie, they go cuss out my backside. That's true. They give me something I put up on my phone to get them breakfast. That is, I remember to go and kiss slippers. Come out time, man. Jesus. Why are you inside here? I'm wicked. I can't do my eyelash. Can I get the eyelash done? They call like everybody bakes up so I'm on in this phone. Morning, Aki, I didn't make me come in your room, yeah? No, eat that. I didn't make me come in here. It's not mommy slippers. No, pink one, I'm slippers. Big up yourself, baby, no flop. My pink slipper? Aki, you know, if I come out of my bed, I'm going to go for the slippers too, you know? We'll try to get some on our supermarket and next week go down on Anna, yeah? I'm not going to slippers for my food. Chanel, go and fix slippers and stop video the people them. Video for video then. Video for video. Video for video. We show people them your professional work. I just say professional work where show people them and not fair around me. Guys, still share the right thing, yeah. It look nice though. Guys, you can't do my lash. Look on my face, look. No, look like them, me I look like them girl wig where I drop off when I put on good. Wanna help me now? No, I'm not man, my eyelash that's so far. Guys, look what she does fluffy. You know me do makeup going but him does not move right with me. See the guy said fluffy. Wanna book her? She not book no man, so no. It look nice. Me not like fluffy. Call her. When I have to call her, she have to give you at the location. Number, yeah.
This definitely is the place where I was shot. Are you sure? I'm positive. We're almost there.
Love you, do.
Alright. 3 p.m. We should get back to Glow. Search first thing tomorrow.
Smile though. Love you, Zoe, smile.
And I like that.
You're cute. You look cute. You can't give me a kiss. Give her one much for me, Jar. Love you. Alright, come guys. Come. How fast slippers this? Man, I'm waiting. I'm tired of waiting now.
Bring that when we go here.
So I want to take my slippers. Guys, go for my slippers. Leave her, she a try nothing done. And if I want her handicap, leave her alone. She a do her thing. Somebody say for add them. Who say for add them? Add me. Okay. Oh my God, and Thompson say for add them. Hold on. Hey, man, I don't know for breakfast, but I just pick up something, you know. Alright guys, you ready? Chanel, you ready? Chanel.
Annie, you know, what's going on now?
Hey, morning.
What's going on now, me Annie?
Hey, morning.
What's up, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, you?
Me there, man. Annie, if you remember me, Annie. If you remember me, man, I say I'm my bestie.
Remember, as you see me say Annie add you know I always add my bestie.
I know, man. Me there, man. I just check to make sure say you're good and you know you go on holy faith and you know me I say.
I am,
You know,
definitely.
You know me have to check up on you and make sure say you're good and nobody spoil it and take away your joy. You know, say I want Annie pan here.
No, I won't. I promise you that. I promise you that.
You know, I want Annie pan here. And because me already see you go over most of stuff them. So you know, me not want to dig up back all dirt and thing, but just go and be right.
You see what I realized said, me see most likely even my people them I look out for me more than me I look out for myself. So if my viewers them can say, Annie, was me worried about you, my pressure, think about your health, take care of you. Without you, the kids them can be okay. So me not take up no extra stress by my head when I need it. If me see something out there and it no need for be talked about or addressed, I won't do it. Or if me even address it, me do it for my own timing.
You do it for your own timing, exactly. That's what I tell you. So you say people, remember say half a who there in the commenting, and then this is what I don't understand. You say females, I don't understand why females love drag down other females and beat them down when them realize that they don't. And I mean, I just want thing with Jamaicans still. We can't even fight that. I realize you see we rather fit drag down people when they are at their lowest, and we just need to cut that out. And one of the next thing is that I want to tell you, so you see the law do work. You see the youth them where come and feel like say they want to instigate certain things at your yard, and it's only idiot them there. Them the boy they are a man when I pretty much used to badness. I mean I tell you, Annie, do everything silently. Don't make nobody know where you say, yo, come here, tell you, Annie. Me see a lot of Dan get cut down completely. Me see a lot of Dan get cut down completely just by the law.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? And we might not see it, but the law do work. The law do work. Yeah. You have to trust it. Trust in the law simple means, I guess what? You see your kids are your priority, and it simple means that we put your life on the line to protect your children. You understand what I say? Because if remember, you know make no boy and no girl make you run from where you fight so hard for build. You understand what I say? No make nobody whatsoever make you run from that, and that is exactly what they want. You understand me? I say that they want. Yeah man.
I'm not a person to run, but I mean a person who like to protect, make sure said everything. Make sure my kids them good first. I'm gonna do what I have to do. You understand?
Yeah man. Mm-hmm.
It's not a person to run. I'm not run from a place. Like, even if you live up there and grill up the place and have some camera on it.
Even for rent out, even for Billy, because sometimes it good when we can move from which part we come from or whatever. So even for Billy and rent out, if you want, if that's what make you comfortable, do it. But do not give nobody that privilege don't make nobody on the internet know. And I mean, I say, if you do something, just do it and don't make nobody on the internet know, because that is what.
Oh, it's not going to be talked about anymore on the internet.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Just leg off for that. So whosoever wants to sit down and think, just give them that. But you see the law, Annie, may I tell you, the law do work because me know you see on the social media how much man we portray themselves as done. Them get cut down immediately. You understand me? I say once, because my mind a whole heap of people want actually become done, you know. You understand me? I say, and we're in there right now. Which one in there right now? You have to those. Not give nobody that the privilege, not the power. Because guess what? You see them the boy there, so little
Now put on the green screen. TikTok not allow green screen anymore. Read the guideline with TikTok. TikTok don't want to use green screen. Them are gonna take away your page. All different type of something. You can't even beg for gift. You better when you ask it, you have to know for ask a gift. You look on the new rules of TikTok.
So, what more you do, Annie? You see, it good. I like what you did. No man, nobody go call you say, oh, you're the run for your place and left your place. Because remember, at the end of the day, your children's safety come first.
Tell you something. If being wise and running is two different things.
True.
Feel the rain. Me not take no wait. Hurry up. Rain.
As we say, we ready to force get to the back.
Wanna jump in the pool last night?
No, sir. I was already wrong going there last night.
I like how rain go do. Me not sure I'm going there. I only pool me see what me don't want to go in. And me love going in a pool, so. I like when pool water look away. You get me? You look certain way, me now go in there. Woo. Oh. Fisher. Hey, baby. Hi, morning. Mm-hmm.